Okay, so y'all, I did a thing and I cut my hair. My hair was really damaged because I bleached it back in, was that February? And I cut it in April, but it was just time to cut it again. And I hate my hair short, like, doesn't work for me, but it is what it is. So now I'm about to clean up and start cooking my dinner. I gotta load the dishwasher first and then start cooking dinner. Put all this stuff away. Then tomorrow I'm gonna decorate the, shoot. Ugh. Then tomorrow I'll decorate the tree. Come on. The stupid cord to the air fryer won't go. Okay. So yeah, so tomorrow I'll decorate my tree. And yeah. So I'll hit y'all when I'm cooking again. But yeah, I just wanted y'all to see my hair. I really want to cut like this much more. I might do it. I don't know. Because this is still like not even because it was dead. You okay? You okay? Are you gonna stop that? Thanks. So yeah, we'll see though. Alright, so here's these are the lamb chops. Why is that so loud? So these are my lamb chops that I'm going to cook. They've been marinating for about 24 hours. They only need to marinate for 30 minutes really, but I was going to cook them last night and I didn't, so here we are. Now, so now I know y'all don't talk about my cast iron. I always put it in the dishwasher. I think I said this before. You're not supposed to put it in the dishwasher, but I'm too lazy to hand wash it when everything else goes in the dishwasher. So yeah, I just put some oil in there. We're gonna get this really hot, and then I'm gonna put these lamb chops in. All right, so now that this is, you know, all done, yeah, it's hot. Yeah, ooh, there was water in there. Okay, all right, wow, okay, that was a lot. Okay, we're gonna do this again. That's the sound you want. Woo. All right, this is gonna be 3 minutes on each side, guys. right, y'all, so here's my final thing. So I actually forgot about these in the oven, which kind of sucks, but it is what it is. They aren't burnt, but they're just a little too crispy for me, but I'm gonna still eat it though. And then there's my scallops. I just cooked them in pork belly, you know. That's some mashed potatoes that I made yesterday and some spinach. Yum.